Miss Lucy? Are you getting dry too? Hello. Hello. You're so funny. Do you see yourself in that lens? Is that why you get so close? Do you see yourself? Hey, Luce. Want to sing? Oh, pretty. Pretty sing. Good girl. Do it again. Luce, you want to sing? Oh, so pretty. Good girl. Good girl. Are you singing while you dry off? Oh, pretty singing. Yes. You're a beautiful singer. Yes, Lucy. Lucy, I know that's you. Yes, I know. That's right. That's right. Yes, I know. You're Lucy. I know. Yeah. Lucy. Yes, you're telling everybody who you are? You say what, Lucy? Lucy just had a bath? Yeah, I know. That's how we feel about baths, isn't it? Yeah. Lucy. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. I know. But Fancy's still probably going to call you KK, so sorry. Lucy, I know. I know. Yeah. I know. Oh, getting all jumpy. I know you are. Lucy, yes, I know. I promise. Yes. You're a good girl. Yeah, it's you. Yeah. This little chatterbox, aren't you? Yes. Yes. Are you getting dry? Yes. Pretty girl. Yeah, so again, dry off. Oh, hello, Fance.
Hello.
Hello. How are ya?
Hello.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
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 Are you pretty girl?
Hello.
Ooh, you're getting kind of close. Yeah.
Hello.
You guys are fascinated with this new camera,
Hello.
aren't you?
Hello.
My goodness. This is quite a close-up.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I did hear you. I'm sorry. Did I not answer correctly? Are you a good girl?
Hello.
Hello. Are you a good girl?
Hello.
Are you pretty?
Hello.
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 My goodness, we're just in hello mode, aren't we? You checking out that camera?
Hello.
Hello, baby. All right, what's our friend Jack Jack doing? Is he getting dry? Hello, Jack Jack. Oh, you're really very handsome, honey. You are. You're just kind of a wet guy right now. That's all right. Oh, just had the bath. Yeah. You just had the bath. It's okay. You're gonna hang out clear up by the ceiling, are ya?
Hello.
I think Jack Jack's a little upset over his bath.
Hello.
He's hanging out at the ceiling. Why don't you come down and play on your swing? All these great toys on your swing, and you're just way up there at the ceiling. Say nuts to you, lady. Lucy, yes, I know. I named you, so I remember.